see in the beach?
Is there seal?
Okay, you can say, I see. Okay. Yeah, what can you see at the beach? You will start at the word says, I see.
I see the
Okay. Okay. What can you see at the beach? I see cloud.
cloud, sand, sea,
Okay. Shell.
shell.
Okay. Now, Min Ann, let us go to the next one. What do you wear in the beach?
I wear swimsuit,
Swimming costume. Okay, this is.
swimming costume,
How about this one? Do you know how to read this one?
no,
Okay. Sunglasses.
sunglasses,
Okay. So let's go to the next one, Min Ann. Now let us take a look at the picture and where are these people? Okay. So here is the first one, Min Ann. Okay. Can you tell me, Min Ann, where are these people? Where are they?
they are, they are on the beach.
Okay, can you say they are at the beach?
They are at the beach.
Okay. How about this one? How many things can you see in the picture? Can you count the things? Okay, how many things?